In this video we want to show you an old German money note. This note had a value of 50,000 German mark. It is from the year 1922. So 4 years after the First World War. The note is just printed on special paper and has a red serial number on it. There are not that many security features integrated in the money bill, like you know it, from money notes nowadays. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.